Welcome to my channel, eTutor Monastery. Hi friends, welcome to another video of set theory series. In this video, we will discuss about the Venn diagrams. In my last 5 videos of this series, I have already discussed about the basic concept of set theory, roster method, set builder method, descriptive method, and types of sets. I have mentioned all the links below in the description box. Let's start Venn diagram. Please subscribe to the eTutor Monastery channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest notifications and updates. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a diagram that shows all possible logical relations between finite collections of different sets. This is also called the primary diagram, set diagram, or logical diagram. Venn diagrams were introduced in 1880 by English logician John Venn. Introduction of Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams consist of rectangles and closed curves, usually circles. Venn diagrams represents elements as points in the plane and sets as regions inside, usually circles, and universal sets by rectangles. Let's have an example of Venn diagrams. Assume capital U is the universal set which have elements from 1 to 10. Okay. Now, capital A and capital B are two subsets of the universal set U. And also this is clear that the set B is a subset of set A, right? Now, let's see how can we represent this universal set and these two sets in a Venn diagram. First, the universal set. The universal set have to be described in a rectangle. So, this is our universal set U. Next, the set A. The set A is a subset of universal set. And then, the set B, which is a subset of U as well as the subset of set A. Right? Now, let's see that how can we represent the elements inside these sets. The set B has 3 elements, 3, 5, 7, and we will represent these 3 elements in this way. Now, these 3 elements are also the elements of set A and set U, right? The rest of elements of set A will represent in this way. Now, we have represented all the elements of set A. Now, these 5 elements of set A are also the elements of set U. So, rest of elements of set U will represent in this way. So, here we have depicted the universal set and its 2 subsets and all the elements of these 3 sets using Venn diagram. Now, let's have another example of Venn diagrams. Represents the following sets by Venn diagrams. That is, set A equals to 7, 3, 4. And set B equals to 2, 4 and 6. Now let's solve this. We will represent the set A by a circle and mention all the elements by point inside the region or inside the set, right? Now the set B. Now look at this. These 2 sets, set A and set B, overlap each other for the element 4. Why? Because the element 4 is common element in both of this set and the rest of the elements for set A and set B are mentioned outside this overlapping region. In this way, we can represent these 2 sets in Venn diagrams. Now proceed to the next example. Represents the following sets by Venn diagrams. Set A, which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B, which is element 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Now let's solve this. First look at the elements of this sets. Set B has 3 elements, 2, 3 and 4. And these 3 elements are also the elements of set A. So we can say that B is a subset of set A, right? So if we represent the set A, then we have to represent the set B inside the set A, right? And the elements will be represented in this way. Now proceed to the next example. Represent the following set by Venn diagrams. Set A has elements small a, b, c and d, and set B which is element small m, n, o and p. Now let's solve this. The elements of set A and set B are completely distinct, right? So there is no common element. So these two sets are two completely separate sets. So if this is our set A, then the set B will be completely separate set, and the elements will be represented inside this set in this way. So we have learned what is Venn diagrams, introduction of Venn diagrams, examples of Venn diagrams. In our next video, we will discuss about the operations of the sets. So, bye for now. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. If you yet to subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe immediately and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my new uploads first.